Is This a Great State or What? Is sponsored by Weoki. We got you, Oklahoma.
Welcome back. Well, the idea is contrary to the American business model. Highly trained professionals giving away their expertise for free.
Right. Galen Culver has another look at a unique organization of lawyers who take on clients who couldn't even hope to afford their fees.
This was the old conference room. Yeah.
The office looks a little different after 15 years. Lloyd McAllister and his former associate, Wendy Hill, compare notes on the McAllister firm's recent remodel.
Is this you?
Wendy hasn't worked here for a few years now, but both attorneys can eagerly recall her hiring straight out of law school.
A young law student.
They were interviewing me for an associate position.
We realized that she really had a passion.
When I was in law school, I went to a Christian Legal Society conference and found out that there was a nationwide effort to set up new legal aid clinics.
Shared with one another the outworking of our faith, what our faith meant to us in our life.
Probably a little scared of sharing, but it was such a fire in my belly.
There are probably a lot of senior partners out there who would easily dismiss an idealistic associate with a notion to give away free legal advice.
That really was a desire to help people in that area.
Was the idea that, you know, what can we do, and at different times, can we do more?
They both put their heads together and came up with the foundations for Trinity Legal Clinic, an organization designed to help indigent clients who needed a voice in court.
So we felt like that was the right idea, but it needed to have legs under it.
They had connections, they knew people, they knew who would want to help.
They both still have stacks of paperwork to go through, Wendy in her home office, Lloyd in his corner office in Edmond. But after a decade and a half of cases and rulings that often run together in memory, the one legal collaboration that lasts in the best possible way was this one.
After 15 years, I just stand amazed at what has been accomplished in meeting the needs in the community.
How many people have been involved and how many people have been helped.
They don't take the credit.
It was God's work.
But what they started is still vitally important. In Oklahoma City, Galen Culver, News 4. Is this a great state or what?
Boy, what an indispensable service they're providing there. Trinity Legal operates out of a half dozen locations in the metro, including the City Rescue Mission and Crossings Clinic in the Village.